Hello students, how are you? I am sure that all of you will be safe and sound at your home. My dear students, regarding our previous discussion, we have already started a topic related with our literature. And during that very discussion, I have already provided you a lot of informations, ideas related with the topic, like the characters, a brief description related with the story writer or author, as well as a spot, place, scene, etc. Just after providing these all the informations, today we have to start the summary of this topic. So all of you minutely, carefully and seriously focus my today's videos and follow me. Now, as the summary of the story of the chapter like Adventures of Toto. In this story, Adventures of Toto, Toto is a monkey. The story is written by Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond has described how his grandfather was fond of animals. He bought a monkey from a Tonga diver for ₹5. Initially, when the grandfather saw Toto tied up to a feeding trough, he found him looking very ill and ugly. As the grandfather had his own private zoo, he kept the little monkey in it. Toto used his tail as a third hand. He used it to hang from a branch and for scooping up any delicacy that he could not reach with his hands. Toto's presence was kept a secret from grandmother as she didn't like animals. One day, when grandfather was going out of a station, he decided to take Toto along with him. A big black canvas kit bag was provided for Toto so that he could be cancelled and would not be able to escape. Gradually, grandmother accepted Toto in the house. In winters, when Toto had to go for bath, he would cunningly test the temperature of the water with his hand. When the water became cold, he would run to the kitchen fire to dry himself. If anyone laughed at him, he felt hurt and could refuse to continue with his bath. Toto's mischief was progressing from tolerable to intolerable. He could not be tamed or domesticated. Soon grandfather realized that Toto was not the type of pet to be kept in the house. He found the Tonga driver and sold Toto back to him for ₹3 only. Now, my dear students, I am sure that all of you will be succeed to sort out any problems related with that very topic. Next day, we shall have to start its next part, like extract based questions. Thanks a lot. God bless you and hope to see you again.